Mr. Weekly, what has happened in the competition so far?
Well, we started at 7:30 this morning, 7 o'clock registration, 7:30. The first arrows were shot.
Mhm.
There were some nice arrows already. We've got a lot of archers and a couple of nice 50s so far.
Mm-mm. Okay, I understand with this competition, you are choosing the national team. Please tell us more about that.
Yeah, we are participating in a world competition, world championship, end of July.
Mm-hmm.
So we are choosing our national team after the shoot, the
Mm-hmm.
16 top archers, and
Okay.
then also the 16 development team archers.
Mm-hmm.
And then also, we've got a lot of AAGs, adult archery group.
Mm-hmm.
We are also choosing 16 of them to compete at the world tournament.
Okay, tell us more about the world tournament. What participants are we expecting to come to Namibia?
We've got a lot of African countries: South Africa, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Botswana. We've
Mhm.
got Canada coming. So yeah, we will be have about almost 300 archers on that tournament. Yeah.
Right, right. No, Mr. Weekly, thank you so much for your time.